those who might be interested in it. This is my first time saying anything on one of my videos. I guess we could call it a vlog. So yeah, this was a very windy day, a bit of a windstorm. Now skating with the wind behind me didn't take a lot of effort. Just kind of get pushed by the wind. Friday prayers going on at the mosque. This is the Dubai Marina district, Marina Walk, and now I'm onto the streets, crossing over part of the canal to an area closer to the beach called Jumeirah Beach Residence, or JBR, for those who live in Dubai. So up some stairs here to an elevated section, and still haven't quite made it to the beach. To go up a few flights of stairs and then I'll have to go down a few to get there, but this apartment building complex was up here and it was like skating into a wall of wind. I certainly have never rolled in wind like this. It's a lot of fun. Just stand there and get pushed, fight hard into it. I brought out my tri-skates, the big 3 wheels, thinking it would be a little easier to not only skate into the wind but also get pushed around by it. This was January in Dubai. It was actually kind of cold for Dubai by Dubai standards. I suppose it was in the low 20s. It's not really that cold, but when you're used to Dubai temperatures, that's like our winter. It's pretty cool, picking up a pretty good amount of speed. The sign's almost getting blown away, being held there by the wall. I was trying not to push or pump very much at all, just using the wind speed. Got pushed pretty quickly. As you can see, this is a unpleasantly windy day. Not many people are out. Really gray. Pretty clear near the beach, but as further you get into the desert, it was a lot more sandy. A lot of blowing sand. Kind of looks like a snowstorm in some ways, with the sand blowing across the roads. Oh, this poor guy had to move this chair somewhere. I guess I should have offered to help him out, but he was getting the job done. It wasn't the easiest day to move a chair. Oh, trying not to cheat with any sort of pumps there. But there we go, try this. There's no cheating there. That was pretty fast for getting pushed just by the wind. Alright, let's head down to beach level. Convenient elevator, because there's a lot of stairs. Bit too many for a stair roll, for me anyways. And out to the JBR kind of beachfront restaurant, cafe, walk area. Yeah, a few too many stairs for a stair roll. That'd be impressive. Maybe someday. Always construction in Dubai, with fences and building a new building, putting something new up, and on this day the temporary construction fences didn't fare so well. Construction barriers being blown over. pretty good place to skate, pretty smooth again on this day, this particular Friday. Not busy at all. Friday, Saturday is the weekend in Dubai. On a sunny, warm Friday, there would have been a lot more people. Very busy place, very popular place. Some great bricks, smooth bricks to roll on, but then there's some also really rough, thick cobblestone. It's not so great. Alright, let's head down to the beach. Oh yeah, check out the gold colored Lamborghini. Not really sure which particular model it is. You see a lot of exotic cars in Dubai. The beach is pretty much empty. Again, very abnormal for a Friday. That beach would be packed, but not today. Here's some of that really rough stones and bricks. Not nice stuff for rolling on. Big wheels help. These are my Flying Eagle skates, Flying Eagle frames. They'll take 110 millimeters. These are 105s, but they've been worn down, so they're probably more like 100s. So I get across the bridge here, over top of the water. Go for a little bit of a pathway skate. Call it a day. Call it a skate anyways. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.